Hi loves, welcome to the channel. It's Jaylyn. It's been a minute, but I'm back with a new look. As you can see, Curlsqueen was kind enough to send me over some clip-ins, and I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how I achieve this style without any heat or glue involved, okay? So if you're ready to get into the braid down, how I installed the clip-ins, and how I styled them, make sure to keep on watching. And go ahead and like this video because I'm definitely dropping some gems. Now that I got the intro out of the way, let's get into these hair details.
I've never tried human hair clip-ins before, so I was hoping to get some goodies that would be useful for the install, and the Curlsqueen did not disappoint. They gave me this detangling brush. In the box you'll also get this cute reversible bonnet with a drawstring, and you can never have too many of those, some extra clips, and this is what the hair looked like straight out of the box. Now, to know me is to know I always start my hairstyles on a fresh base. And actually my hair was freshly colored in this video too because I wanted it to match the extensions perfectly. But before styling, I went straight into blow drying my hair with my Rev Air just so that I can get it to a stretched state so that when it's time to braid my hair down for a really good foundation, my hair is already stretched and prepped and dry so that I don't have to worry about having wet hair under my clip-ins.
The shrinkage, oh my gosh, it's so real. As you can hear, my sister's doing her hair as well, but I only have this little section left. I love this dryer because blow drying has never been this fast and this easy. So I'm about to knock this last section out, and then I'm gonna go in with my serum, and hopefully my mom will braid my hair for me, y'all. I really wanted my hair braided down for this style. Hopefully she can do that and she's not too tired. So yeah, let's knock this out.
Just in case you're a Rev Air user and you wanted to know the settings that I had mine on, I was alternating between medium and high heat, and the tension level was on 7 just because I really wanted my hair to be as stretched as possible. Once I completed blowing out my hair, I used this Ajwa Beauty Blue Tansy Treatment Serum. I love this collection from the brand because it's specifically for color treated and damaged hair, and this product in particular is very lightweight and it's supposed to strengthen and repair my hair. And being that I just color treated my hair this black color, I wanted to make sure that I remove any dryness before my hair is braided up under these clip-ins. So that's why I use that, and I'm parting out just the perimeter in the front of my hair because that's the only leave out that I'm gonna have for this style, being that it's a flip over curly look.
Say hi, Mom.
I can't do this.
Yes, you can.
It's too much.
No, it's not. Come on. All you gotta do is straight backs.
Ain't no oil in it?
Yes, I put the serum in it.
Clearly, my mom hates to see me coming whenever I want to do a hairstyle that involves braids because I don't know how to do them on myself. I'm not that gifted. But one thing about her is that she always comes through. So if you're seeing this, thanks, Mom. But yeah, I asked her to do straight backs and she gave me 10 in all for a super flat base.
So now the hair is braided. All I have to do is sew my ends up so that they're out of the way. But my mom ain't down on the braid down. Now I have to go prep the hair. I'm gonna wash it so that it's dried by the morning and ready to install and style. I'm gonna leave my leave out like this until the clip-ins are in so I can style it all together, make it blend. Stay tuned. Now I'm ready to install the clip-ins. I'm gonna do 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, and then fill in the rest of the 3 and remaining 2 tracks on top.
I could have explained how I'm going to map out the clip-ins a lot better, but I just be talking. So when I said 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, I'm saying that first I'm laying down the track with 3 clips, and then the track with 4 clips, and then the track with 5 clips, another track with 5 clips, and so on and so forth from the nape of my neck all the way to the top of my head. to make sure that there's no gapping and that the hair looks as full as possible. That's the best possible way that I could go about this install, just so that once I flip the hair over, there's no wefts showing. Now that we're jumping straight into the styling portion of this video, let me give you some specs. This is the 22-inch water jerry curly clip-ins. Y'all, this hair is supposed to mimic 3C4A hair, and I think it did it so well. All I used to style this hair was water and the Mousse Def texture foam by The Dew. I like this product because it's lightweight, but it still provides a good hold for the curls to stay in place, and all I had to do was brush through them. You'll see me shake some of the sections right after I'm done brushing just to clump the curls together. This hair was super easy to style. I think it mimics the texture of my hair pretty well. I definitely fooled a lot of people with this hairstyling. Since having these clip-ins, I've been thinking about different ways I can style them, and the versatility that is capable with clip-ins is literally limitless. You can style them the way that I have, as a protective style with braids underneath and minimal leave out, or you can do a wash and go and have a couple clip-ins here and there for extra length and volume, or you can do a half up, half down. You literally could do whatever you want. However, if you're a low maintenance girly, this one might not be for you, just because you do have to do your due diligence and make sure the hair is detangled and basically take care of it as you would your natural hair. But as long as you keep it up, wear your bonnet, or make sure you place your clip-ins in a safe place at night so that they don't get matted, you're literally set, and they will last you for as long as you want them to. As I mentioned, I have never used human hair clip-ins, y'all, so I knew that trying to make my natural hair blend with these extensions would be a task. And the way that I tackled it was by separating my leave out completely and styling it on its own as I would a normal wash and go. I used my curly cocktail of choice. Normally it consists of a leave-in conditioner and a custard or a gel, and I just shingled each individual curl that I wanted to be defined. I found that doing this was best for me just because I think my hair lasts the longest on its own, you know, naturally when I do this method. And also I didn't want to combine the extensions while styling just because of the differences of length and tangling. For all that, just to avoid a huge mess, I kept it separate, and I think it worked out really well for me. So once all the products are in place, I dried all the curls together with my diffuser, and I also scrunched the ends to have the curls looking really bouncy. By now, you might be contemplating on getting some curly clip-ins for your next hairstyle, and if you are, girl, just do it. You deserve it, and I have a code for you. It's code J, and you can get money off of your purchase using that code. So if you're interested, check out my description for more information.
Okay, it's giving. Imagine my edges laid and my makeup on. This look is giving everything it needed to give. I'll be right back. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm actually 2 days after I installed and styled these clip-ins. I installed them on my birthday, and I just put on my bonnet at night, take it out, judge the hair, and that's all I have to do to reignite these curls, y'all. It's so bomb. This hair is such great quality. I might tell you a joke, but I'd never tell you a lie. So if you're looking for some curly clip-ins, check out Curlsqueen for all your curly hair needs. And I appreciate you so much for watching this video to the end. If you made it all this way, make sure to like the video. Don't forget to follow for more videos of me, from me, and all that jazz. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.